What's the meaning of bounce? Bounce. Bounce.
Bounce. Bounce. In the context of digital communication, bounce refers to the failure of an email or other message to reach its intended recipient and being returned to the sender. When an email bounces back, it is typically due to an issue with the recipient's email address, such as a typo or an inactive account, or a problem with the recipient's email server. There are two types of email bounces, hard and soft. Hard bounces occur when the recipient's email address is invalid or the domain name doesn't exist, while soft bounces are temporary and can be caused by a full inbox or a server issue. Bounces can negatively impact email deliverability and should be minimized through regular list maintenance and monitoring.